in Amsterdam, we're going to do a special segment where we're going to focus on our balance and coordination by doing a small combination. So let's just get started. We're going to move on our left foot. This is going to be our 1. When we bring it back, just like the previous videos that we had about weight transfer, we're going to move to 2. This is going to be a full weight on my 2. In order to make my turn that direction, because this is where we're going, we want to initiate it from our outside foot and move both that direction. Okay, but our weight is still going to be on this side. From here, we're going to do a small movement from our left back to our right forward, which looks like this. Tuck, and we end with a check and cross. So, in other words, when I start to count all up until 6, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so let me just break it down a little bit more, because this is going to be easy, right? It's going to be 1, 2, but to get there is only basically shifting to this side. Okay, you see that? 1, 2, shifting this side. But to make it more showy, or at least for the audience, or maybe even for yourself, if you're going to see yourself back on a video, we have to make it a little bit more groovy. So this is what I would like you to do. So we're going to have a 1, and then we shift away. So we show with our hands where we're going. So it's going to be 2. Now you see that I would like to have my knees pointing that direction. So now we're also going to use our hands. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a circular motion from the right side all the way to the left. So now it looks like this. Yeah, it's much better than like, you see that? Okay, so from the top, so it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, once we are here, we are now replacing our left with our right, which happens at the and 4. The same thing applies. So I can just use my bottom part only just by using my feet, but I can also use my shoulder. So it's going to be like this. Bam, bam. So as you can see, I'm using my shoulder first, and it's initiated a sort of kind of ripple effect, a ripple effect. So it's going to be boom, boom, tuck. Okay, so I think the best way to learn this is to keep looking at this video, watching this video, and then decide for yourself what are the parts that I really need to focus on. Okay, and just make it maybe in slow motion. A lot of players, including on YouTube channel, you can slow down your video. So this would be a really great moment just to try. Okay, so we are here, 3, and now we're going to replace our feet. Bam, bam. And now we're going to do a classic check and cross. So we're going to do a tuck, replace, and go back. Okay, so this was a circular motion. And it's going to be this way, tuck, tuck, and an out and in. Alright, so if you would like to practice this completely, now you're on your left foot. So now what I can do is go back and pretend that this is from the start 1, and now you can go back to this side. Yeah, so you can just keep going and going. So let me just show you what I mean with this. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, so you can keep going and going and going. I think this is very handy if you have really nothing in mind, but you want to keep moving and keeping your balance, and at the same time try to focus on your coordination while doing it. Yeah, so I really hope this has been very informative. Please check our other YouTube videos, and I really hope to see you back again. Bye.